Pisces, welcome to the Forgiving Tarot. This is your mid-January 2021 reading for your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Do check out your placements to get a message that most resonates with you. I'm not telling you what to do. The Oracle's not telling you what to do. Ultimately, you have free will. Therefore, you make the best decision for you and those involved. If you're cross-watching or you yourself, Pisces, feel that the rules are in the reverse, please reverse them, take what applies, and leave what doesn't. It's a general reading, not a private reading, so it may resonate, may not resonate. Please be aware of that. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and donating. It is greatly appreciated. All right. Somebody could be blocking something. Could be an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Lots going on here. So your situation, Ten of Swords in the reverse. This could be about maybe something isn't over. Okay, something here could... I almost feel like this is a lingering pain, you know, or something that is over, but it's not over, if that makes any sense. Others of you, this is a situation where you are healing from. Someone is healing from this. Whoever you're dealing with the Queen of Swords could be someone here who is not communicating, someone who is not seeing things very clearly. For you, with the Three of Cups in the reverse, could be that there is this could be over partying for some. For some of you, this is just not coming together with someone, not wanting to come together. You have the King of Swords as your outcome. The King of Swords is someone who says the facts, tells it like it is. He can be very blunt, but he's an honest person. He's very intelligent. King of Swords. Three of Pentacles. Teamwork, working together. Ace of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, the Empress, the Strength card, Leo energy, Eight of Pentacles. And interesting. So this could be about actually working together. Something is not over here. This could be healing a situation with someone. Could be about actually growing something, putting in the effort. This could be about healing a situation. This can be a reconciliation. Four of Cups. Six of Swords. All right, let's take a look at your person here with the Queen of Swords in the reverse. They could be dealing with an air sign. Hermit, Virgo energy, Four of Wands, Ten of Swords. King of Wands at the bottom of the deck here. This is some sort of introspection, taking some time to really think about things, wanting this sense of belonging, this stability, this foundation here. But there's a lot of suffering here with this Ten of Swords. Something is done. Death. There's been a change here. It could have been an ending that promoted some sort of change within someone. We have the Magician and the Seven of Cups. So someone could be... This person could be wondering if there is an opportunity to change something. They could be a little bit confused here, especially with the Queen of Swords being in the reverse. Let's take a look at you with this Three of Cups in the reverse. High Priestess, World, Six of Swords. Chariot, Cancer. Eight of Cups. Two of Swords. Page of Wands. So I don't understand what you're stuck on here. Or maybe this is just you. You're done with something. There's no and ifs, whatever, buts about it. King of Swords. Tell me about the King of Swords. Six of Wands, Two of Pentacles, King of Wands. Aries, Sag, Leo energy here. You're making a change here. Yeah, there's a new beginning here. You might be a little bit afraid of it. There might be a little bit of, oh, this, and that. Anxiety. Ace of Swords, 3 of Wands, 5 of Swords. 10 of Cups. Page of Wands. The Queen of Cups. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So this could be a past person here with this 6 of Cups here, Queen of Cups. Could be another water sign, or this could simply be you. Why is the 5 of Swords here? For those of you who watch me, you know I don't like this 5 of Swords. 3 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 9 of Wands. There's still this lack of trust here with this 5 of Swords. And for some of you, it's a situation where truth has been spoken, has been given, but somebody's waiting for the other person to mess up. Like, give me a reason. Give me a reason here. Tower. To blow this up. Now, others of you, the situation is here that there might be other people involved. I mean, look at all these court cards that just showed up. Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands. Then we have the Page of Swords with this King of Pentacles and the Judgment, which the time is now to choose. So, I mean, the 3 of Cups is in the reverse on your side. Are you the one with the third party? Do you have a Queen of Swords and a Queen of Wands? Or are you the Pisces female and you're one of these queens competing for this King of Pentacles? Let's see what else comes out, yeah? Before I confuse myself with all these cards. Now, the situation seems to be good. So this could even be that the situation might not even be about reconciling with someone, but ultimately focusing on your security, your stability, nurturing yourself. Maybe you're focused on whatever, on you, your health, your well-being, your everyday life, your work. Things still need to be done. You know, that's the Queen of Pentacles always reminds me of that. Yeah, no matter what the heck is going on in your life, the laundry still needs to be done. The laundry doesn't stop because you are, you know, facing some sort of struggle at work or you got into a fight with someone. There's the Queen of Swords again in the reverse. Knight of Swords here. 2 of Cups. Somebody is very much like Ace of Cups is in the reverse. This Queen of Swords in the reverse is someone who's pissed off. They don't see clearly. They are unable to see things clearly. So their approach here, it could just be, it's more based on the mind. No one is coming from the heart. No one is really trying to nurture the situation. Queen of Pentacles is here in the reverse. Now, it could also be that this is both of yous. There's the King of Cups in the reverse. So emotionally unstable here. And the Empress. Man, I don't know, Pisces. Some multiple queens showing up here. Pisces male, you're showing up here as the King of Cups in the reverse with 2 queens over here. And there's an Empress here. Maybe it's 3. Now, for those of you where you're not dealing with a third party, For those of you not dealing with a third party, I'm going to take a look at what this Empress is here. Why is the Empress here? Ultimate feminine energy here. So there might be a need to actually working together towards a victory, and the victory is actually healing and taking a break. This Knight of Swords coming in quickly. There's something here. It's just, it doesn't look right. It's like it looks right, and then all of a sudden, there's like a wrench in the plan or something like this. I mean, this can be about both of you strategically trying to figure out how to take action towards this. Devil card, Capricorn energy at the bottom of the deck here. But somebody could be waiting to take action, and that person is closed off. Somebody, for some of you, somebody here has other options. Others of you, the case is that somebody is just emotionally confused, overwhelmed. 8 of Wands, Death, 5 of Pentacles, Scorpio energy here. So either messages or something moving in quickly here, maybe about changing a situation where 2 people are feeling abandoned, or 1 person at least. It could be that somebody here is still wanting to persevere, still thinking about this. But others of you, the situation is that there is somebody here who feels like the wounded warrior, is feeling alone, or both of yous are here. Is there a possibility to work this out? Well, we have the 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups. Maybe, but the Ace of Cups can represent new love here. But this could also represent self-care. Maybe this is a need to love yourself. 5 of Cups, the Queen of Swords, and the Justice. Strong Libra here. If it's not an air sign that you're dealing with, this could be someone here who might have turned very cold because of a situation. With the 5 of Cups, that's someone here who is grieving, okay? The Queen of Swords, it could be that her heart has turned very cold, or that whatever. Now, you know, she's a different person. She wants justice. She wants fairness with this Justice card. She looks like somebody here who would have given everything. Is there a possibility? There could be. For some of you, this is a third-party situation. And I don't know what else to say about that, to be honest. Tell me about this Queen of Swords, please. There's a 5 of Cups again. King of Wands and the 3 of Pentacles. This is someone here who's very upset that action isn't being taken, that this man isn't standing up here. Or it could be that she's very upset here that there's been a third party. Could be an Aquarius with the Star card showing up. Wanting to heal, but very worried, very stressed out. This Queen of Swords. The Tower, the 4 of Swords, the 5 of Swords. It's like, it's a never-ending cycle for some of you. Empress, 2 of Cups, the King of Cups, the 10 of Pentacles. Is clarifying this 2 of Cups in the reverse. Someone feels, listen, someone feels alone, someone feels rejected, someone just wants clarity, truth, whatever have you. But I don't know if this is somebody who needs to know, like, whether they need to end something, move forward, invest. 10 of Pentacles, World, 7 of Pentacles. The Chariot, Cancer is here. Finding it difficult here. There is, if this is a reconciliation, there is a possibility here, but there needs to be a drastic change here. This is the same cards that just came out, clarifying the Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. Feeling like she has nothing. She has nothing. The King of Cups, however, has the 9 of Cups, the 10 of Pentacles, and the Fool card. 7 of Swords. Either he's hiding his feelings and needing to open up what he really wants, or this could be self-sabotaging energy. Again, he might be juggling this King of Cups. For those of you where that resonates. This can be mended. This can be mended because the Empress is being clarified by the King of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the 3 of Swords, the 2 of Wands, the Justice, and the Emperor. Whoever you're dealing with, Pisces, if you're the Pisces female, this King of Swords, whether it's an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, or an Aries here, is wanting to heal this broken heart, wanting things to be fair. However, the question is if this person is capable of doing this. Are they still holding on to burdens? Have they changed? This song keeps showing up for everybody. Are you strong enough to be my man? Is the song that keeps showing up. Now, if you're the Pisces male, there's 2 scenarios here for you. Either you have multiple options, or you are deceiving yourself with this. Any other messages for Pisces?
Mommy, I want to eat.
Okay, give me 1 second. Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, Tower in the reverse, 7 of Cups in the reverse. The Star in the reverse, Knight of Cups in the reverse, and the Ace of Wands, King of Swords. Yeah, for some of you, you want something different. Why is the Queen of Wands here in the reverse? Waiting. Something's just not happening here. Waiting for something that's just not happening for whatever reason. Not listening to intuition, not really taking full control of the situation, not really making anything happen. Now, it can be a lack of desire here with the Queen of Wands being in the reverse. But it could also be someone here who's not motivated to see things in a different perspective. Or they're wanting to get themselves unstuck from something that they feel like they're stuck in. The Three of Swords is here, and it almost seems like it's haunting everything. Goodness. Seven of Swords is here in the reverse. Nine of Wands is at Five of Swords. It's for some of you, it's a need to forgive. Others of you, it's a self-sabotaging. Somebody is self-sabotaging this. If you are looking to come together with someone, or if it's a reconciliation of some sort, it seems to be don't rush it, don't force it, and don't control the situation. What is that card? Let go of control. That's what it is, okay? Take the time to heal. Take the time to heal, because if you don't, there might be a Cancer involved who doesn't feel stable as of yet. There's something here that needs to take its time. Others of you, if you're moving forward or moving on from a particular situation, it's also about taking time with yourself. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Pisces, if you're resonating with the reading, let me know down in the comments down below. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.